This is the unboxing video of Casio watch EFR-550L-1AVUDF, purchased today. Hope you enjoy it. Let me just open it for you. This is the box, the package received. It has the Casio India contact details. The register your product online card. The user's guide. Pretty huge book. A warranty card, and Edifice 2 years warranty card. The price tag. So this is the Edifice which I had ordered. Pretty neat packaging. So let me open it. Pretty heavy hands. The Edifice, the genuine leather. The strap is okay, but dial seems very good. It has the world time dual dial function. Thank you for watching. Please do rate,